Hello everyone, this is Peak Entertainment and we are back again, and here now we have another drawing video for you. And in this video you'll see the completed colours of my earlier Wolverine drawing that I'll put on the screen right here for you now. I will also drop links in the description where you can see that drawing video and how I added the pencil and inks to that particular picture as well. So if you enjoy my artwork, then you can also see more of it on my Instagram and DeviantArt profiles, and I will leave links also for those both formats within the description as well. If there's a favourite character that you have and you'd like to see me draw it in the future, then just let me know in the comments or contact me via my social media and I'll provide a drawing for you as well. I can draw many characters from Marvel, DC, Image, Star Trek, Star Wars, or any other franchise that's one of your favourites. Just let me know in the comments below and I'll provide a picture for you. So more drawings coming ahead within this series include Sentry, Spawn, KENSHIRO from Fist of the North Star, and Witchblade, and also Superman. Those will be the next upcoming pictures within this series, and I'll try to provide those pictures as quickly as possible for you within the future. So that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, please, and hit those like and subscribe buttons and help me grow this channel within the long run. But that's it for now. Take care of yourselves, stay safe distances, and enjoyed my coloured picture of Wolverine.
Produced by UNEEDBEATZ. Produced by UNEEDBEATZ. Produced by UNEEDBEATZ.